In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a section and images to your page and then bring them to life with animation. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to start by adding a new section to your web page. This section will serve as the dedicated space for your logos. Think of it as a blank canvas ready for your creative touch. Once you've added this new section, it's time to bring in your logo images. You can do this in a couple of ways. If you're aiming for a simple setup, you can just add an image element for each logo. However, if you're looking for a more polished presentation, you might want to consider using a pre-built gallery. This approach offers a clean, organized look right from the start. Alternatively, for a more personalized design, you could add individual image elements for each logo, and then simply duplicate them to maintain consistency. This gives you complete control over the placement and arrangement of each image. Next, let's talk about stacking these images. You'll want to group your logos together and then stack them effectively. This step is crucial because the animation relies on this stacked structure to operate smoothly. Think of it as arranging a deck of cards. Each card, or in this case, each image, needs to align perfectly with the others for the best effect. Now, on to the exciting part, applying the animation. Start by selecting your carefully stacked group of images. Over in the inspector panel, there's an animation section waiting for you to explore. Here, you're going to add what's known as a cross-loop animation. This will initiate a basic infinite carousel effect, giving the impression that your images are gracefully gliding across the screen in an endless loop. Once your animation is in place, you'll want to duplicate the entire stack. This duplication is key because it allows for a seamless transition effect as one stack appears to follow the other continuously. Place this new duplicate directly next to the original, ensuring that there are no gaps or overlaps between the two stacks. It's vital to maintain this continuity so the carousel motion remains fluid and uninterrupted. Now, let's refine things a bit further. Head back to the inspector panel and focus on the animation settings. Here, you can adjust the properties of parallax to better suit your vision. Changing the duration will control the speed of the images as they glide by, and you can tweak the repeat delay to perfect the timing of the loops. This fine-tuning process is all about achieving that perfect balance. Not too fast, not too slow, but just right for your unique setup. Finally, it's time to preview and test your creation. Take a moment to check out how the animation looks on your site. Pay close attention to the spacing, timing, and looping. You want it to look smooth and seamless, so don't hesitate to make any necessary adjustments until everything feels just right. And there you have it, a vibrant, dynamic carousel of logos that adds a lively touch to your page. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in bringing your visuals to life.